it recording?
Yeah.
We'll delete it.
Hello. So, me and Ian are here, and he's gonna do something stupid.
I am.
Do it. Do it. Do it now.
How possible? Oh, God.
He doesn't listen here. But it doesn't. He's Hello. Hey. How you doing, Peppa? I don't want. I don't want to open the gate. Really.
Back there, we only all scared them all.
No, they're all back there. They can go.
Come on.
Maybe it was your lawnmower that scared them. Okay, you can go do your thing now.
No, don't go out there and scare them now. Look.
Okay.
Just don't scare them. You have to be real careful. Real careful. Easy up on them. No. Let's see if we can get them in the pen. Come on, baby.
Oh, you want to get them in the
I'm
pen?
gonna touch one.
Come on, baby.
I'm gonna touch one.
Don't. Okay, then go.
Come on, baby.
Go.
Don't wait.
Be very slow. Also, I didn't give you a hug. I'm gonna give you a hug. I'm gonna give you a hug in a minute. Right?
Oh, okay.
This girl. Don't let her in. Don't let her in. No, you're not getting in. Because she gets in, she could attack the chickens, and we don't want that. Loop it around the other way. Oh yeah. Yeah, you go very slowly.
Go around this way and get them back up in here.
Oh yeah. Chicken. Yeah. Okay.
You can't catch them now, I know that.
Yeah. Because they're too fast. They're too fast. They're fast as frick, boy. Okay. So Ian, listen. Ian, be very quiet and very calm and very slow. Just like me. I'm being calm, quiet. If it's a rooster, you should get a little scared. I don't be blind. No, don't you be blind. Okay, I'm hurting them now. I'm the herder. Right. Oh. The roosters scare me. These things don't. They scare me. These things don't. Okay, I'm hurting these. And my little brother is hurting those. He's the silver one. You already know me. If they try to charge me, I'm gonna crap my pants. No dibs. No doubts about it.
Wait a minute. Back up.
Back up. Everyone back up.
Let the board come in here. Back up. Come on. Hey.
Come on. Back up. Back up.
Oh, yeah.
Back up. Back it up. Back up. Stay back. Wait.
Don't run them.
Stop. You're scaring them.
Go around on this side. Go around.
Give them a minute. Yeah, go around. Don't scare them because you don't want your eyes to be pecked out.
Oh, come on. Don't rush them. Let them do it on their own.
It is kind of difficult to herd chickens. Yeah, they're in my pocket.
They going in.
Give them a minute. Let them go in by themselves. Give them a minute. Girl's over there by the fence. You probably can't see it. So who says that Android doesn't have has a bad camera? Because it doesn't. Yeah.
We have to delete that now. What?
No, we don't. My channel's got random stuff. So you post random crap.
Okay.
My channel name is very fitting for what we do. Because we just herded a bunch of chickens. It might remind you of Mr. Beast, because Mr. Beast also does random stuff. We do random stuff as well, because it's just for the frick of it.
Make sure to go to subscribe to Mr. Beast.
Oh yeah,
Well,
shout out to Mr. Beast. He's a legend.
Yeah, but we don't know him. We just watch his YouTube videos. Just please just go subscribe or like or whatever. Do something to make
And make sure to buy his merch. I don't have any of his.
We don't have any money, so we can't buy stuff.
Wait, he said. Wait.
Hey, can I have my graham crackers?
Oh yeah, here. You can have your cheesy crackers. Oh, you want any cheesy crackers? Okay, I go over here, and you go over there. I'll go over here.
Yeah, they ain't scared of me.
Here's your crackers. I'm just gonna.
Yeah, thanks.
Go in the bin. Go in the bin. Go in there. Go in the bin. Go in the bin. Go in there. Go.
I'm gonna be standing over here because I don't want to get pecked. There's one underneath the thing.
Go in there. Go.
Hey.
Whitey, go.
Hey.
Go, Whitey. Go. Go.
We're herding some chickens.
Unlock the gate on the other side.
Alright.
Like this.
Yeah,
No, don't do it in. There you go.
Ah, the other end. Okay. Then easily. Wait. You have to do the thing. Yeah, do the thing.
The thing in the way down there, now move it.
Let me this over. Yeah, we're good. Alright, we're good.
Okay, we're good. That was fun. We didn't touch it. Did you touch one?
Maybe.
Did you?
No, I swear.
Oh. Well, we had fun today. We heard some chickens at my
I know I
grandpa's
said
place.
I was gonna charge one, but
Yeah, that's stupid.
oh,
But hey,
we'll add on to this video. We'll charge one.
there'll be a part 2 later.
Yeah, there will be a part 2.
Yeah, this is her. Yeah. Thank you for watching Herding Chickens Part 1.
Hey. Slow it down. We might have some special guests. There's a memo.
Say hi. Wave. Hello. Hey, Mama.
We didn't hurt it. It's
Wait.
like you have blood on your hands or something.
We herded the chickens back into the pen.
I hurt it on Nathan. Was just...
I helped a little bit. Willem, hey, you better admit I helped a little bit. Love you.
Love you.
Dude, she climbed up inside there.
Yeah, there's a whole giant hole in the bottom of it. We went from herding chickens to following the dog.
No, she just climbed up in here.
Wait, what?
She just climbed
She
up.
got in here? She
Yes.
opened the flap?
Yes.
I didn't see that. We're gonna have to check the recording in a little bit to see if I got it. If I got that.
You were over there hugging Mama. Come on.
Oh, I wish I got that.
Girl, come on.
Come on, don't scare her. Come on,
She
girl.
ain't even scared. That's a good girl.
Come on.
Come on, girl.
Come on, girl. Good. Give her a little pet.
Come on.
Pet the f***ing dog.
Hey, we're gonna keep trying.
Hey, well, technically you get up to 3 in a video. Now, you get 3 per video. Remember? But we're gonna do our best to make sure we don't get any. If we get one, we're kind of screwed.
Alright, make sure to like and subscribe. We might do a part 2. We might.
Yeah, if we come back to our Pepple's house and he has the chickens out.
He's probably not. We're gonna have him put him in the cage.
Yeah.
Make sure to like and subscribe and turn those notifications on. If you don't watch us, then I really don't care. Because this is probably a work in progress.
We're still a brand new channel, so we don't have much content.
We do have another channel, the one and the only. But we're probably not going to post that on that anymore. We're probably going to post Grover and other people on this channel too. So it's called Random Crap. So
Random stuff. You already know that. And his will be eventually, he'll have one called
I'll eventually get one. It's called
the silver one, I'm pretty sure, right?
Silver one.
Yeah, the silver one. That's going to be the name of his channel.
So make sure to go like and subscribe in the future. If you don't care about us, we don't care if you dislike, you report us, because we're still going to be happy.
Yeah, because we got a channel. Now I got a good phone for recording.
Yeah, he just bought a new phone.
Yeah, like recently, and this is the phone we're using to record.
Yeah,
Okay.
his old phone, it just didn't work
Yeah, it was
anymore.
a piece of
It
crap.
really just
When we
stopped
tried to-
working.
Yeah, when we were recording, we could only get like a minute in and it would die. Even if I was 100%. This one, it's like, I'm pretty sure it still has decent battery. Okay, well,
Yeah. On the reviews, it said a gamer guy had it, and it lasted for a day and a half.
constant video games, yeah. So, oh, Bella, this is called Blue, and it's powered by Android, BLU. Bold,
Make sure to go buy one.
yeah, bold like us. They're $150, but hey, it's good.
If you want the good,
Go to Amazon.
If you want the good one,
It's like
you need to
$300.
get some money together.
It's like $300.
It is
This is one. This is the 150 one. It's amazing. I love it. Okay, well, see all you guys in the future, hopefully, and don't forget.
in the future. Subscribe to my channel.
And don't forget to keep on liking.
Goodbye.
One more thing.
Scoop, 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 doop.
Yeah. End.